welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing the subframe on my Land Rover Discovery 1 camper build. Let's get into it. Primed, painted, and installed. This will be the last time this thing comes off. Know what that is? Look familiar? That's a boat roller. Trailer boat roller. Polyurethane bushing. Huh? Pretty good. Got this sucker primed. Yes, sir. And we got this sanded down, ready for primer. Oh yeah. Well, that took longer than I thought. Went over the welds about 3 or 4 times, grinding them down and going over them again. I think I'm going to put some brackets here and here on each of these, just for added security. I think that might be it for today. This is still drying, so it's a little cooler in the garage. So I gotta wait till tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Take care.